As with any good astrophoto, the whole thing starts with good pre-planning. We need to consider the foreground. This time around, I think I want to take some cityscape. One of my absolute favorite buildings is the Copenhagen Planetarium. What I had in mind was to go somewhere along the shore here. We have some kind of like steps or platform here that looks like we can get a clear view across the water from there. And I also noticed there's some kind of platform over here. We can maybe use that. If we need more distance, it looks like there's a few gaps in the trees. I want to capture the moon just after it rises above the building. What we need to figure out now is what direction does the moon rise in. If we just want to use free tools, we can use stellarium. We can see the moon rise here toward due east if we needed to get some distance above the horizon. Around 1900, maybe 1830 is a good time to go out and get this image. For my shot tonight, I'm going to be using my Canon RA, and I'm going to be experimenting with two lenses. I'm going to be using my 70 to 200 millimeter f4 zoom lens, and I'm also going to be playing around with my wide field 14 millimeter that I usually use for Milky Way photography, but maybe we can use it for something fun to get a wider angle. I also highly recommend that you bring a tripod, and if you have it, a remote shutter release so you don't have to touch the camera to when you take the pictures. Alternatively, you can just use the delayed release, so you just set like a 2 or 5 or 10-second delay after you press the button before the image is taken, so the camera doesn't shake as you're taking these pictures.